Hey everyone! Welcome to today's lesson. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching the sound qu. Qu. So this sound is spelt with the letters Q and U. So when you see these two letters together, they make the sound qu. Like for the word queen. So let's take a look at 5 words that have the qu sound spelt with a Q and a U. So the first word is quit. Quit. When something gets really hard, I sometimes say, I quit. Quit. So to sound out this word, I would say qu it. Qu it. Quit. So when you're reading, just try and look for these sounds and try and keep saying them until you can blend them together to make the word. So if you're learning to read, definitely don't quit. Keep practicing. The second word is queen. Queen. And I know a lot of people in the UK and all over the world have been devastated to recently have lost our queen. Queen. So to sound out this word, we would say queen. 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 So you have to keep saying the sounds and get quicker and quicker until you can say the word. And there is also another sound that you might have noticed. We've got the E sound in the middle. So it's queen. Queen. And the third word is quick. Quick. So to sound out this word, I would say quick. 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 And the 2 letters at the end of this word make the sound k when written together. So we'd say quick, quick, quick. Now I have to say that when I run, I am not very quick. Although when I was younger, I did come second in a running race, which I have never forgotten. So I can be sometimes very quick. The 4th word is quilt. Quilt. A bit like a duvet cover, some people call it a quilt. So to sound out this word, I would say quilt. 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 Let's try that again. Quilt. 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 Okay, so the 5th word, the last word for today is squid. Squid. I have never tried to eat squid. And to sound out this word, I would say squid. Squid. And let's try that again. Squid. Squid. So here is a picture of a squid. Okay, thank you so much for watching today's lesson. I really hope you are finding these lessons helpful. If you'd like any more lessons, make sure to subscribe and I will be uploading more soon. Thank you for watching and I'll see you again soon. Bye!